Hey everyone, Jesse here. Wanted to do an update on the old garden homestead. Right now we're doing a burn for biochar, and biochar is basically wood or organic material that is heated up and the gases escape that, but it doesn't actually consume the entire thing. So charcoal is kind of like that. Here's a previous batch of biochar, and you can see this is a branch, and it looks like a branch except there's no wood color or anything like that. So the thing itself is biochar is, there's a lot of surface area in there. It's kind of like it's very crystallized, things like that. So when you put that into a garden bed or soil, there's a ton of structure for microbes, for other creatures, and so it's just really good for your garden. Holds a lot of moisture. It can hold 7 times its weight in moisture. So this fire pit is basically just a cylinder, and it's shaped like that because at a certain angle the flames on the top of this pit, the oxygen is completely consumed, so anything below those flames cannot be burnt. It's just off-gassing, so it's heated up and those gases are going up into the fire pit, and you can see that it's actually a very clean burn. Everything is basically consumed. So with this fire pit, basically try and build it as fast as possible without smothering it. So let me see if I can add some more branches that I've had saved, and they're probably not the driest set of branches or whatnot, but we'll add on a ton more. I'll do a couple handfuls, and I just have some trimmings from the local bushes, trees, whatnot. All about the same size, give or take. And basically at the end of this, when we have when all of the fire, when this is completely full, we will stop the process with water. So we will hose this off and basically turn off everything. So at that time it stops burning, everything looks like it is in that bucket. We will crush up all the biochar so that it's in the finest possible pieces, and then you want to add some fertility or some kind of life back into it. So it's a basically a carbonized piece of wood, has no life. It has the structure, but one of the things that I'm doing is that I have a pillowcase full of biochar over here. It's in the fish tank that has fish, so I'll keep it in there for a couple days, let the fish water and everything absorb into that biochar, take it out, and then I'll mix it into the dirt or the soil of the garden. They say you can do 20% or so biochar to garden soil, so I'll probably load up these things in each garden bed and see how it runs. So with that, I will continue this process on. This probably takes about an hour or so to completely fill this up with all the wood and everything, and then I will hose it off, smother it, shut it down, and then tomorrow I will put into buckets and start smashing it up. I've been using shovels, a drill bit, kind of like a concrete or mortar mixture, spade. So just anything to break it up in fine pieces, and then from there I will add life to it. You could put in compost, you could feed your chickens, anything like that. So a lot of possibilities, but this is a good start to making your own biochar. And you can find fire pits like this online. I think I got this from the best biochar kiln, something or other along those lines. Washington State, you have to rivet the cone together, but they ship it here, and I think it's probably $230 shipped as of May of 2023. So with that, I'll stop it here, and thanks for watching.